Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and this is the Bacon Cheeseburger Crunchwrap Supreme. Well, welcome to the month of May. It is National Burger Month, and we're doing a different burger recipe every week this month just to celebrate with you guys. Now, we're gonna do some traditional stuff, and then we're gonna do some creative and fun stuff. Maybe even some stuff that you'll tell me is not actually a cheeseburger, and that's fine, including the recipe that we are going to do today. And that's when we take the core of the bacon cheeseburger and smash it up with the Mexican-American fast food phenomenon known as the Crunchwrap Supreme. Let's have some fun. So first thing we're gonna do today is cook off our bacon, and we're doing it right on the grill. So today we're cooking on the Yoder Smokers YS640S pellet grill. It's running at 425 degrees right now. Diffuser's removed. We've got our grill grate grilling panels in place. We're gonna cook the bacon right here on the grill grates. So we're getting some color on the bacon. We're gonna get this flipped. I want a decent mixture of like a little bit pliable, but still has some crunchy bits, and that's kind of why cooking it on the grill here works out nicely. You get these grill marks for that crunch, but you can keep some of that flexibility. Next, we've got just a little bit of knife work to do for some of the fresh ingredients for our crunch wrap. So we're gonna do a little shredded iceberg lettuce. Just wanna get that nice and thin. Iceberg is my least favorite lettuce in the world, but it serves its purpose in that it is very crunchy, and that's exactly what we want inside this crunch wrap, is crunch. Next, we'll move on to the tomato. You can go diced or sliced. I think for the application of trying to kind of create or combine, I guess, the crunch wrap and the cheeseburger, I want a thin slice of tomato that sits on top. I don't want it to be all diced up and mixed in, but that's totally up to you. You'd find your tomatoes diced and mixed in if you were just doing a normal crunch wrap. And then we've got the avocado, which we're gonna do kind of a avocado smash inside the crunch wrap. I'm not gonna do like a full-on guac, just kind of a smash and season. We're gonna hit this with a little bit of the hardcore carnivore meat chilada, the same stuff we're gonna be using on our burger today. And then just work it in to the avocado. Give it a good mash. Now our secret sauce for our recipe today is, I mean, it's not a secret, but it's a green chili crema. This is kind of what we're gonna use in place of any other condiments like a secret sauce that you would get on a cheeseburger. We're gonna start with 2 parts sour cream to 1 part mayo. And then as much of the jalapeno vice as you like, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon. All right, so now for the burger patty itself, we're gonna be doing half-pound patties today to match the size of the crunch wrap. So that means 2 each of these CREEKSTONE Farms brisket blend burger pucks. We're gonna mix them, ball them up. I don't want any separation, so we're not just gonna smash them together as a puck. We actually wanna get them fully mixed, and then once you get that into a ball, we're gonna press it out to match the size of what should be a finished crunch wrap, about 6 to 8 inches in diameter. All right, so parchment on both sides. Find something big and heavy and flat like a grill press so you can push this thing out. That's pretty close. Could probably go just a touch more, but we are gonna cook this right on the grill grate, so we don't wanna go super thin. This is not a smash burger, it's just a large half-pound burger that needs to cover a lot of surface. All right, so let's go ahead and get these seasoned up with the hardcore carnivore meat chilada. This is kind of a chili lime kind of flavor profile, so it's really going to work well both for the burger and for the crunch wrap. We're riding the line here as far as these flavors go. We're just gonna hit one side for now. We'll get the other when we get it on the grill. Right onto the grill grates. We'll hit that other side with the meat chilada. All right, just 2-3 minutes here, ready for a flip ready. You can see how much These burgers are shrinking down, and that's why we've got to go so wide with the press right off the bat. Ah, it looks beautiful. The michelada smells really nice. So now that we've got this flipped, I'm gonna hit it with some of our queso chihuahua, which is a really nice Mexican melting cheese, great on quesadillas. It's gonna work awesome on our bacon cheeseburger today. But we're gonna go ahead and dome these with a little bit of water to help steam. I won't catch everything on the grill grate here, but it will create enough steam to start to melt that cheese on top. So checking the internal temperature now, aiming for about 155 to 165, and we are creeping right up there. So let's go ahead and just take these off and let them rest. Also gonna slide a steel skillet onto the grill to preheat for the Crunchwrap. All right, ready to build our Crunchwrap now. So we're gonna start with some of that crema on the bottom of our large flour tortilla, burrito size. I'm gonna add our bacon, half-pound patty on top. And then this is where we separate the hot stuff from the cold stuff with our crispy tostada shell. We're gonna hit this with the avocado smash. It's worked its way, or I should say that michelada, the chili powder, you can see it's worked its way into the avocado. Lay a slice of tomato right there on the avocado so it creates that moisture barrier where this doesn't get all soggy. Your iceberg lettuce. Gonna do a little bit of sharp cheddar. Cold. Spoonful of your favorite salsa. We're using Marty's green chili roasted salsa. Top it off with a little bit more crema. One more tortilla right there on top to cover the hole. So as we smash this down and fold it up, we should have full coverage on top. There we go. So that's the fold. That's gonna go seam side down to toast it first. Let me get a little fat down in the skillet, the spray duck fat. We're gonna go fold side down first to seal it up. Just want a nice even browning, and we'll flip it and do the same thing to the other side. All right, let's take a peek. Oh yeah, nice little golden brown going on. Let's go ahead and hit this with just a little bit more fat. I'm gonna flip it over and let it toast on the opposite side. All right, let's check on that other side. Oh yeah, that looks good. Nice crust. Not too much. We still got some chewiness around the edges. I'm calling it. Let's pull it off. Well, let's just take a look inside. Sounds like it's got good crunch to it. Oh, that's one nice big burger patty. Still oozing out fat and juice, but surrounded by all that Crunchwrap goodness. Beautiful. Good Lord. Guys, this might be better than the quesadilla burger. Man, there is so much flavor going on. The first thing I've got, though, is the bacon cheeseburger. It's smoky. It's got that touch of the grill flavor to it. And then it's surrounded by all of these great Mexican flavors, right? We got the guacamole, you got the salsa, you got the crema with the hot sauce. Gosh, there's so much here that I am enjoying. Give me a sec. I'm about to destroy the rest of this thing. You guys got to give it a shot. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoyed the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.